Hi all. Today we are going to see the session about exception handling. The exception handling is under the concept under the unit of exception and multi-threading in object-oriented programming Java. So generally, before we are going to see the session, just let's take a recall for the last session. In the last session, we have discussed about general concept, that is encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. And inheritance, we already seen the types of what are the types of inheritance and why we are using inheritance. Those the things we have already seen. In polymorphism is the various kind of way to express the thing, way to express the same thing. And abstraction is nothing but it's used to hide the confidential thing or unnecessary data from the user. And so let's to move to the main topic. So this is the outline of this concept: keyword, this keyword, and final keyword. So generally, what is keyword? The keywords is predefined meanings in Java. So it cannot be used as a variable, class, or method names. Generally, keywords define the syntax and structure of the Java program. So these are all the list of keywords in Java. Boolean short, for, Boolean byte, character, double float. This is the variable types keyword. And short, void, int, long, while. This is the method type keyword. And for, do, speech, break, continue is the conditional statement keyword. And these are all the keywords, example of the keyword. So what is this keyword in Java? Generally, what is this keyword means? It refers to the current class variable or class method. So it's used in constructor chaining. This as an argument in the method call. Method call or constructor call, whatever we are using. Using this keyword to return the current class instance. A particular class is used as defined as this means that particular object can call that class only. So that's why we are using this keyword here. And usage of Java, this keyword is this keyword can be used in current class instance variables, and this can be used to invoke the current class method, and this can be used to invoke the current class constructor. So here this keyword can be used in class, method, and constructor. And few more things we are using this keyword, that is that can be passed as an argument in method call and constructor call and instance. So generally this keyword in Java means invoking an overloaded constructor using this keyword here. Here circle is the class, and under this concept we are defined this keyword in a particular method call. And under this method we are going to explain the variables in by using this keyword. So the next one, Java final keyword. Then what is final keyword means? It's limiting the user. It restrict the method overriding. Generally, why we are using method overriding? The recent changed data can access for what we are using method overriding. Restrict inheritance and use it to make variable as constant. This is the final keyword we are using here. Final keyword can used in variable, method, class as well as this keyword. So for Java final keyword, we make any variable as final. We cannot change the value of the final variable because it will be the constant variable. So this is the different types of uses of final keyword, final variable, as we have already seen about the final keyword usage that can be used in variable, method, and class. So this is the difference between final, finally, and finalize. Generally, final means used for constants, methods, and classes. Finally is used for, we already seen about the exception handling concept. So finally is used for exception handling, and finalize is used for garbage collection. That means clean up the memory space. So the features of final keyword, the key features of the final keyword in Java is immutability, prevention of method overriding, restricting inheritance. For those reasons, we are using final keyword. So this is the example of final keyword, as well as here int num is defined as final. So we can't use that particular variable. We cannot use method overriding in that particular variable. And this is the difference between final and static. And final is a constant and static is a instance. And a final cannot be inherited, static can be inherited. It cannot be expanded, it doesn't apply. Value cannot be changed. Here in static we can change the value. So this is the this and final keyword. So thank you.